cost of a dental bridge depends on how many teeth are involved, how many teeth are being replaced, along with what other teeth are involved supporting the tooth that's being replaced. So it may range, but it is based on the number of teeth, or what we in dentistry call units. How many units is that bridge? We can finance bridge work in the dental office. We have outside sources that we can utilize. We have in-office financing that also can be utilized. We try to make it as easy as possible for you to achieve tooth replacement at the best possible way that you can.